Most of the AI tools that I used until today to build a website, they suck at design. Most of the design is very bland, ordinary, and boring. But it is not the case of MagicPath, which actually creates some very cool designs and also good functionality as well. And today I'm gonna use it to create my own award-winning website. So let's get into it. First, I'm gonna start by presenting you the sections that I'm gonna use as inspiration for today. So first I'm gonna start with this one right here, then this one, and this one. So in case I need more sections, I could go to awards.com and I can find some extra websites, but for now I believe 3 sections is enough. So I'm gonna start by creating a new component and starting a new chat. Then I'm gonna go back to this website and I'm gonna use the snipping tool to create a screenshot. And let's copy it now. Go to MagicPath, paste it inside, and let's say create this hero section. Now I'm gonna start a new chat and go to the second website, and let's take a screenshot of this section right here and say create this section. Okay, so this looks good. However, as you can see, it has the awards thing on the right side, so I'm gonna delete that later. And now I'm gonna create a new component. This maybe the last one. Now let's take a screenshot of this section right here and paste it inside and say the same thing, create this section. So in the meantime, while MagicPath is creating the other 2 sections, I'm gonna start to edit this one. But first, let's open it in a new tab to take a look and see how it looks like. I need to say that I love it. I even love the colors. They are not the same, which is good. And even this, like, it's not the same. The only thing is the same is actually the text right here. So I'm gonna ask MagicPath to update the text, change the text to something similar. Okay, now the second and third sections are also finished. So let's take a look on this one. Let me close this section, and this one looks also very good. I don't need this logo because it's the logo of that website, but the only thing I need is actually the layout. So here we are also gonna change the text as well. Now let's check the last section, and this also looks very good. And now, as you can see, we have a different text here. So let's take now a look. Looks great. I'm gonna click on edit component and I'm gonna delete this element manually and click on save. Cool. So now in the preview, as you can see, when it's edit, you see only this text, but usually when you go back to the canvas, you see the entire text. Now what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna also delete this logo right here. And also maybe let's change this layout right here of the video. Bring this more to the top, make it wider, and let's see what I can do with this. I'm gonna select this div right here. And as you can see on the left side, guys, you can also select different layers. That is something new inside MagicPath. It's been released yesterday, I believe. So yeah, you can now select the layers, which is very useful actually. So let's select a div and then click on flex. And now I'm gonna try to see what I can do. Maybe this logo right here shouldn't be in the center. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna click on save to save everything because we changed a few things, and if I don't save something, I might lose it later. And now we can keep editing. So I'm gonna go back to edit. Let's select the flex. Okay, so now it looks more interesting because if I select the flex and then change to auto space between, now we are talking. Now it looks much better, I believe. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make this wider actually. So maybe I'm gonna delete this icon right here, this video icon, and let's change the color, the background color of this, because I don't like the gradient right here. It's way too distractive. So I believe it is good. I'm gonna click on save, and while it's saving, let's move to the other section right here. Select this one, looks very good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these three sections and put them together. So I'm gonna create a new chat, say connect these three sections together, and then I'm gonna add, and I'm gonna select the hero section. You see we have like three different hero sections. It's quite confusing. Maybe I should have named them, but it's alright for now. There are not so many. So then I'm gonna click on this icon and let's wait to see what's the end result. Okay, let's check it out. So we have a beautiful hero section right here, and then we have this section. Okay, we have something weird here going on in the background. It says selected works, and I might remove that. And then we also have this section right here. So what else is missing from here? I believe it's a footer, so I'm gonna create that as well. But I like actually that, as you can see, we still have this navbar here that it's sticky, so that is really cool. So let's add a footer, and also let's change this right here. So I'm gonna close it and then click on edit. Let me zoom in and let's see, why do we have that in the background, this one. So I'm gonna do is reduce the opacity, is let's remove that gap here. So I'm gonna type in 0, and now also type in 0 maybe for the top as well, and now it looks much cleaner. So click on save. So I'm gonna take this footer right here. We don't need anything special, we need a minimal footer, and I'm gonna change the content. So I'm gonna take the screenshot first, go inside Magic Path and say add this footer at the bottom of the website, but change text to something else. Okay, and let's take a final look and check the website. So we have again this beautiful hero section, then we have this right here, and I think this actually looks very cool with this text in the background. With that orange thing, it didn't look that great, but now it looks more interesting actually. So I like this layout as well, and then we have this hero section, and then we got this footer. So overall, guys, I think that it is a very cool website, and it's very close to the award-winning websites that you see on the awards website. So if you want to check this out, there is a link in the description where you can check this file, and also you can check Magic Path, which is totally free, up to 5 credits per day. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.